Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the physical compatibility. Check if your MacBook has a Lightning or USB-C port and get a Lightning to USB-C or Lightning to USB adapter if needed. Once done, visually inspect the earphone's Lightning plug and cable for dirt or damage because a poor connection causes audio issues. Then, unlock your Mac and open System Settings. Navigate to Sound so you can watch the input/output change as you plug in. This helps you confirm the connection. You now plug the Lightning earphones straight into the adapter or directly into the MacBook. Push until you feel a firm seat so the contacts align. After that, make sure to select the earphones as the output device in System Settings Sound and set volume to about 50% to avoid spikes. Then play a short audio clip to verify sound. If you need the mic, open the Input tab and speak to see the levels move, since that proves both playback and capture are active. Finish by confirming persistent settings. Set the earphones as default output, adjust balance and advanced options if present, and test across apps to ensure consistent behavior. If the Mac doesn't recognize the earphones, restart the computer and try the cable or adapter on another device to isolate the fault. As a key troubleshooting tip, update Mac OS or reset NVRAM/PRAM if recognition or audio routing fails. This often resolves driver or hardware negotiation problems without replacing parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.